Thinking about going electric? Here are 5 great reasons why you should make the switch to an electric vehicle. 1. Save big on fuel costs. Electric vehicles run on electricity, which is far cheaper than gas. Plus, you can charge at home. 2. It's better for the environment. EVs produce zero emissions, which helps reduce air pollution and your carbon footprint. 3. Lower maintenance, no oil changes, no exhaust system issues, and fewer moving parts overall, so less time at the mechanic. 4. Instant torque. Electric vehicles are fast, with smooth acceleration, making them super fun to drive. 5. Government incentives. Depending on where you live, you could save thousands with tax credits and rebates when you buy an EV. Now that you're aware of the benefits of going electric, let's explore the exciting options Nissan has to offer. Ariya, where modern design meets impressive performance. Leaf, a classic choice that combines efficiency with everyday practicality. Join the electric revolution and discover these outstanding vehicles for yourself. Visit us today to find your perfect match. Ready to experience the excitement of electric driving? Visit Country Nissan at 40 Russell St, Hadley, Massachusetts, and take an EV for a spin today.